Hi guys! Happy 2021 everyone! I'm Cherry, Chef for short, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you another charity project that I did last month in support of Little Tokyo Milk Tea. This is to aid the victims of Typhoon Ulysses. From November 30 to December 13, 2020, we collected donation funds from Philippines and from Australia. And through God's mercy and through our supportive and generous friends, we were able to collect a total of 2,900 pesos in the Philippines and total of $260 in Australia, which gave us a total of 12,202 pesos and 80 cents. So out of this fund, we were able to provide this to the families who have been greatly affected by Typhoon Ulysses. Of course, it wouldn't be possible without the coordination and great assistance of its wonderful team and Miss Laureline. So a big thank you to all of you. Once again, Happy New Year to everyone. I hope this video gives a kickstart of inspiration to help our friends and to embrace 2021 with full of positivity. So I'll be doing more of this charity project, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.